Have you ever caught yourself saying, "Why does everything I touch turn to dust?" Maybe you've started a project filled with excitement, only to watch it fall apart. Maybe you've poured your heart into a relationship, a job, or a dream, only to see it slip away. If you've ever felt this way, know this. You are not alone, and you are certainly not broken. But maybe it's time to look a little deeper and ask, why do things keep falling apart? And more importantly, what can you do about it? Sometimes, we don't give things enough time to grow. We live in a world that celebrates instant results. Fast food, fast success, fast everything. But the most meaningful things in life are like seeds. They need time, care, and patience. You wouldn't plant a seed today and expect a tree tomorrow. But often, we treat our dreams that way. We want the rewards without waiting through the process. We abandon the garden before the first sprout appears. Ask yourself, have I truly nurtured this, or did I give up too soon? There's another reason things crumble. We give up when it gets hard. Every journey has a messy, uncomfortable middle. We start with excitement, we imagine the finish line, but the middle is where doubt creeps in. This is where most people turn back. But that middle, that's where the growth happens. The people who push through the discomfort, the frustration, the setbacks, they're the ones who see things bloom. Failure isn't final unless you stop moving. And then there's the quiet force we often overlook. Our own mindset. Sometimes the problem isn't the idea, or the effort, or even the timing. It's the story we tell ourselves. If deep down you believe you're not good enough, or that you're destined to fail, you may unconsciously sabotage your own efforts. It's called self-sabotage, and it's far more common than we realize. What if you replace the thought, "I always fail," with, "I'm still learning"? What if you reminded yourself that setbacks are part of the process, not a sign of your worth? Your mindset can be the difference between turning dust into gold or watching gold turn to dust. Start small, stay steady. Not everything you touch needs to be a masterpiece. Focus on progress, not perfection. Reflect for a moment. What have I walked away from too soon? Where can I show more patience? What old story about myself do I need to rewrite? You are not cursed. You are human. You are learning how to build, how to persist, and how to believe in your own hands. Next time you hear that voice in your head say, "Everything I touch turns to dust," pause. Ask yourself, am I planting seeds or expecting instant trees? Remember, dust can be the soil of something beautiful if you give it time, effort, and belief. You are stronger than you know. You are more capable than you realize. And your hands, just like anyone's, can create something extraordinary when you decide to stay, to nurture, and to believe.